Parrots, the mimicry speakers. The word parrot came from the ancient Greek word particus. There are many types of parrot in the world. They have 389 species of them. Many are facing the threat of extinction due to excessive hunting, trading, and habitat loss. Parrots are such intelligent birds, such as crows, ravens, and magpies. They have puzzle solving skills and can speak and mimicry humans and other noises like traffic lights and car sounds. Their bill is specially made for breaking nuts, eating nectar buds, and other some kinds of insects. Parrots can't be tagged or can't be studied due to their excessive habit of chewing of things. They are very good in nature and they can be kept as a very good pet. The parrots are famous for their mimicry skills and for their colors and beauty. The parrots became a tradition and culture from 100 BCE in Mesopotamia. Thank you all. Like and subscribe this channel. Don't forget to click the notification button for more details.